Hi everyone. Mango the Bear here. And I have another salute video to share. This is not a cringeworthy show, this is only inspired by the original Woody Woodpecker show. So, let's get started. Okay, the Woody Woodpecker show is the greatest cartoon inspired by the original Woody Woodpecker, which means that show rocks too, and also, this show is great, the music is cool, and every episodes are good. But sad it got cancelled in 1958. In 1999, the new Woody Woodpecker show is no here on TV, but in 2002, the new Woody Woodpecker show got cancelled and let me see the rating, also see the rating from the new Woody Woodpecker show. First, I will see the original The Woody Woodpecker show rating. 91% people likes the original Woody Woodpecker show. Next, I'm gonna see the new Woody Woodpecker show. That is 88% people who like the new Woody Woodpecker show. Okay, that's it. I am too lazy for more reasons. Let me see the like or hate spot. Okay, 13 users like this show, and 3 users hate his show. Okay, that's all.